Green sloth.
Roger.
Blue panda.
Roger.
Mama bear.
Roger. English muffin.
Roger.
We're a British American family on a mission to explore 50 states in 50 weeks, seeking opportunities that open our hearts and minds. We have now checked off 4 states from our list. Now we're headed to our 5th state that we will call home for the week.
I-S-S-I-P-P-L.
I. Mississippi is what you said. Mississippi.
This is a very stately welcome center.
Next, let me talk to you.
That's Elvis. Kind of cool, actually.
So what's that?
I don't know why.
This is not cool.
He's very nice. Yeah, he's going to get the leaf blower. He said, I'm sorry, I should have blown the leaves on this. So we got a back of the RV between this camper and this tree.
Hi
explorers.
Greetings from
Moss Point, Mississippi.
Every week in every new state, we pick an adventure to go on as a family, and that's what led us to Moss Point, Mississippi. We had never gone on an airboat tour, and we thought it'd be a beautiful new way to explore in the water the different areas around and wildlife.
Yeah, and actually when we arrived in Moss Point, we were pleasantly surprised that we were calling it home for the week because it was like home.
It felt like home.
Yeah.
Out of all of the destinations that we've been so far, this is the place that we really felt we could just relax and be ourselves.
Yeah, and the people that we met this week, they've really, that's what to me has made it feel like home, was just the people.
The campground owner, Lynn, we complimented him on a rug and told him how beautiful it was. And he said, if you like it so much, just roll it up and take it with you. I mean, this is the kind of hospitality that we have never experienced before, and we were so grateful for. I love that it's quiet. You guys are the loudest thing in this whole park. Say, big plop. Oh! What are you doing? Oh my gosh, what in the world?
We don't want to hurt you.
No.
I got it.
Okay, so you guys can come take a look at this giant thing that first flew on Dad's arm in the
It's
mud.
like a leaf. Isn't that crazy?
That's cool. Look at this camouflage.
Can it blend in?
So weird that the shark has his cute little feet. Oh my gosh, and hair!
How does the shower here compare to the shower in our RV?
I'm gonna shower in the RV right now. Out of 0 because it's freezing cold.
Hey, I'm working on it. I've ordered the part.
We have hot water.
We're gonna shower inside.
Yeah!
I have replaced the thermostat. It is done. Thank you so much. Is it the nicest guy ever? It's like, how do I get to it?
Organizing a haircut for us. Aw, you're looking so handsome. Presley's outing, the campground that we stayed at, felt like home because it had a lot of amenities from home that we've been really missing. Hot, long showers, laundry,
Mail was a big one. Yes, we had some packages that we needed to get from Amazon, and Lynn was like, sure, deliver them here. Yeah, that's fine. And like, okay, cool, we'll come get them. And every day he would just bring them up to our door, like to the RV door. Yeah, I mean, where can you get that kind of service? And the lake was gorgeous, wasn't it? Jonah, you sure are cute. I saw you trying your hardest to help bring them down. They're heavy, aren't they? You know what? If you hold the oar, I'll bring this. Can you get the oar for me? So one end goes in.
No, I don't know if it will all fall.
I've only ever kayaked once, and I was like 12 years ago.
Wow.
And
You always make it really good.
I mean, how bad can it be? I'm letting a 6-year-old do it.
Yeah.
Just little. Little goes a long way. Because the further out you are, honey, that's why you're getting
Ow! He hit me!
Dad's not trying to crash right now because he's the best at it. He's the baddest at canoeing.
I don't know, I think Mom's
the best.
Mom's really good. This is the way you do kayaking, Morgan. You get the oar, and then you give it to your 6-year-old. You let him do all the work, where you just chill out, enjoy it. Hey, you are doing a good job.
Now.
Get him?
We have to. Now.
Okay. We got the suckers.
That's going.
I'm just making sure it doesn't fall. I'm not helping you.
Thank you. Would you all help? What?
I think I got back on the ropes again. It was a good adjustment period to remember what I was doing.
Jonah and me won, but you didn't win.
Oh, did you hear that? They're ganging up on us.
Dad, I was on Jonah's team.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
The main attraction that brought us to Moss Point was the Airboat tours. And we wanted to go on this for a few different reasons. We've never been on it together as a family.
No.
So we thought it'd be really interesting. And both of the boys recently decided that they want to be veterinarians, which I think is so cool. So we wanted to give them an opportunity to see alligators in their natural habitat.
Yes, and it was quite the fun ride.
Good morning, Mississippi! Good morning, Mississippi!
How's your morning coffee?
Pretty good, actually. I'm getting more accustomed to those grounds in my mouth.
Oh, is that what we're gonna go on? Hi, kitty! Unattended kids will be sold as gator bait. This is really important because we're not big like zoo people, but the reason that they have these alligators is because they're actually protecting them, because they'll wind up in people's pools and on golf courses and things like that, and instead of killing them, they bring them here so they can live, because they're considered a nuisance gator.
Drop it down by his face, down there in the water. Oh, you hit it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. He ate it! Would you? Oh my god, this guy's getting old.
Oh, two.
Oh, he's a big boy. This guy is huge. Look at the size of him.
Reptiles, and they're cold.
Cold-blooded? That's right. Alligators can jump.
What's your name?
Pup, like a little dog.
Oh, I love that.
Say hi, Pop.
Hi, Pop.
I can assure you don't want to sit in the front row. But if
Do you get
would,
really wet or what's?
yeah, I don't charge extra for the showers, but I do not provide towels either. All right, y'all, this is the area that we like to call the swimming hole. If
Okay.
you want to, feel free to jump off in there. Please do not dive. It's about 6 to 8 inches deep.
What do you guys think? You doing it?
She would build her nest out of a bunch of mud and grass.
They use cattails to make their nest too.
Cattails. Remember me telling you about Katrina?
Yeah.
Water level was 3 foot above that bridge.
Mississippi, our new home away from home. Thank you for the hospitality. We will miss you, and we will be sure to return.
Yes, and we are jazzed to take you with us next week, our next adventure. Cheers.
Can you now, on our last day in Mississippi, spell Mississippi?
MISSISSI. PPPI.
Couple extra ones, but you're so close. Good job, babe. Oh, we're gonna miss you. Jinx.